Welcome back. Thank you for staying with Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma, and straight across we have this first video. Republic has now accessed the full 1 minute 45-second video of what exactly happened in Lakhimpur on Sunday. Remember, Republic has been holding its own investigation. What's the truth about Lakhimpur as well? Over 5 videos that have now emerged from the site, and Republic will broadcast all those videos. But now, first off, Republic has accessed this full 1 minute 45-second video of what exactly happened in Lakhimpur. Meanwhile, we have seen as to how the first reaction coming in from MOS Home, who has now stated that neither his son nor him were present at the incident site. He has also maintained that they can go ahead and check his location, his mobile location, when all of this was happening, and once again daring that these are all, in fact, allegations that have been leveled against him. And if we go on explaining this entire video, we can see as to how there is violence being witnessed between, and clashes being witnessed between the two sides. This is the full sequence of the Lakhimpur violence video that is out now. This is a 1 minute 45-second video on what exactly happened. Let me go across to my colleague Sumi. Yes, Sumi, help us understand and explain what exactly is happening in this video as well.
Yes, Richa, in that video, it has been established that the car in the convoy, the car which was part of the 3 SUV convoy, is moving the farmers. But what we are also witnessing on the ground is there is this anger against Ashish Mishra, who was driving one of the 3 SUVs. But we have heard the first reaction from Union Minister Ajay Mishra, who went on to say that neither his son was present at the site at the time of the incident. In fact, his phone locations can also be checked to verify his location at the time of the incident. And remember, so far the incident had become very, very violent just yesterday, where all these opposition leaders, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, also tried making her way to the district of Lakhimpur Kheri to meet the families of the victims. However, she has been detained in Sitapur, which is a few hours away from Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, and she has been detained for more than 28 hours. And in fact, now the dramatic visuals are also coming from the Amausi airport, that is the Lucknow airport, where Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel was also on a sit-in protest, where he decided to be on a protest to mark his protest, as he was not being allowed to enter the state of Uttar Pradesh and to leave the Lucknow airport. And now we've also heard the statement of Bhupesh Baghel in the video that has now been aired by Republic Media Network, in which he said that his only intention was to meet Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has been under detention for more than 28 hours. But in fact, we've seen these opposition leaders trying to make their way to meet the families of the kin. But we've also heard various farm leaders also making their statements as to how they won't cremate the body. So right now, the administration is trying to handle the situation very, very maturely. And in fact, the law and order situation also went out of hand in Lakhimpur Kheri. But we've also seen how the FIR on murder charges have also been filed against Ashish Mishra. But no arrests have been made so far. But the family of the victims, the family of the deceased, have made it clear that they won't cremate the body until the autopsy report has been handed over to them, along with a copy of the FIR against Ashish Mishra, who happens to be the son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra's. And in fact, this entire incident has been in a very, very, his incident has happened it spiraled out of the administration's control quite quickly, because yesterday Lakhimpur Kheri was on fire when we tried heading there. In fact, the internet services had also been snapped. When we tried heading there, there was no internet reception. There was a lot of brawl that we witnessed on the way. And in fact, it was very, very, the entire situation in the state of Lucknow right now has been very, very sensitive. And the administration has also been trying to maintain the law and order situation. The 45 lakh compensation had also been announced by Prashant Kumar, the ADG of Lucknow. And in fact, a job from the family of the victim will also be given. A job to the family of the victim also be given. And it has been announced by the Uttar Pradesh administration. And after this as well, the opposition leaders have been trying to meet the family in order to make the entire narrative look very differently. In fact, they want to do politics on the entire Lakhimpur Kheri incident, which is why we had also seen this morning as to how Priyanka Gandhi also tweeted a video, and she had a video message for Prime Minister Narendra Modi asking whether he would visit Lakhimpur Kheri. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. He is in the capital, inaugurating the 3-day urban conclave, which has been put together by the Urban Ministry, and we had just heard him announcing various schemes, precisely 75 projects for the state of Uttar Pradesh. But meanwhile, all of this, the Lakhimpur Kheri incident has been now under control after the UP administration announced the compensation of 45 lakhs.
In fact, Sumi, stay with us, and we have this full sequence and this full video that is over 1 minute in duration from Lakhimpur with violence that has now been accessed here on Republic. Meanwhile, this is a clash that happened between the farmers and BJP workers in Uttar Pradesh, Lakhimpur Kheri district, and that left 8 people dead. An FIR has also been registered in this case. Meanwhile, the Union Minister Ajay Kumar Mishra, Sumi, has now maintained the fact that neither him nor his son were present at the site when this incident occurred. He also maintains and says that he's ready to face an investigating agency. Moreover, he has also assured action against the culprits responsible for this incident. Sumi, if you can hear me, we just heard that reaction coming in from the Union Minister, that is Ajay Kumar Mishra, that has once again maintained that neither him nor his son were present at the site when the incident occurred. He also goes on to state that he is ready to face any investigating agency. Moreover, he also says that he is assuring action against the culprits.
Yes, absolutely. Union Minister Ajay Mishra has been maintaining that since the beginning of the Lakhimpur Kheri incident, and in fact, he has come out on record, and he has said that he is ready to face any sort of investigation about his location at the time of the incident. He also went on to say that the administration can also check his phone location as well as his son's as to verify their location at the time of the incident, and that is a major development that is coming, a major statement that is coming from him, since he has been in the eye of the storm when it comes to the entire Lakhimpur Kheri incident. And in fact, when it comes to, about the investigation so far has reached at a point that various videos that are coming to the foray, that are being uploaded on various social media platforms, are being verified by the administration, by the UP police. And in fact, no arrests have been made so far, but the FIR on murder charges have already been registered against Ashish Mishra, who happens to be the son of Ajay Mishra. And also a judicial committee headed by a senior judge has also been formed to probe the entire incident. So all of the legality are right now put in place, and the investigation is going on, and which is why so far no arrests have been made. But the kind of statements that we are also hearing from various farm leaders and also from the father of one of the victims, they are adamant on the fact that they will not cremate the body until the autopsy report comes their way, until the FIR copy also comes their way against Ashish Mishra. So all of these statements are also coming from various areas, but we see that the entire law and order situation right now in the state of Uttar Pradesh, which was in shackles yesterday, has now been quite under control, and the BJP has also been quiet on the entire Lakhimpur Kheri incident. But the Congress and the opposition leaders have been trying to do a lot of politics over the incident. They have gotten an opportunity to get out the state government over it, and which is why we saw Priyanka Gandhi making a video appeal and also asking Prime Minister Narendra Modi as to when he will go to meet the farmers and the victims' families in Lakhimpur Kheri. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been here in the state.
In fact, Sumi, stay with us. We'll once again listen into what the MOS home, that is Ajay Mishra Teni, has spoken on the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. He has once again reiterated that he...
हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं गृह राज्य मंत्री अजय मिश्रा जी। सर, किस तरीके से देखते हैं जो FIR आपके और आपके बेटे के ऊपर FIR हुई, उसको किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
देखिए, ये कुछ लोगों की अपनी सूचना रिपोर्ट थी, उन लोगों ने अपनी सूचना दी है, और उनकी सूचना देने से जांच में और सारे एविडेंस कलेक्शन में सारे मामले साफ हो जाएंगे।
सर, विपक्ष जो है वो ये साफ तौर पर कह रहा है कि आपके जो बेटे हैं वो घटनास्थल पर मौजूद थे और उनकी गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए।
नहीं थे। हमारे पास सारे प्रमाण हैं कि वो कार्यक्रम स्थल पे थे, जो घटना स्थल से 4 किलोमीटर दूर है। टाइम के साथ, डेट के साथ सारी रिकॉर्ड हमारे पास मौजूद है।
तो वीडियोस हैं जिसमें वो कह रही हैं, प्रियंका गांधी भी ट्वीट कर रही है, जिसमें
गांधी क्या कह रही है ये तो उनको खुद नहीं पता होता है।
सर आखिरी सवाल कि जो ये एफआईआर हुई है, आपके बेटे हैं किधर इस वक्त?
यही है लखीमपुर में, अभी यहीं कार्यालय पर आएंगे 10 मिनट में।